This is Realme C55, and in today's video I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So at the start, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, and from here download and install the free Caffeine app. Once the app was installed, you can go ahead and launch it, and in the app itself, the only thing that you need to do is to make sure that the timeout option or parameter was set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close this app and we'll let it stay opened or active, your screen will not go to sleep automatically, no matter how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.